Hello guys, glad to see you on our Liberland Railways Corporate YouTube channel. My name is Denysyuzhakov, I'm founder of this project, and today I would like to introduce you with our new member of our world first corporate model railway called Liberland Railways. This member is Swiss leading meat processor and manufacturer. The name of this company is Bell Food Group. Let's take a look at my screen, and I will represent this company from the corporate point of view. Let's go. So, guys, let me repeat. The Bell Food Group is a leading manufacturer of convenience products in Switzerland. The company was founded in 18th century in Basel, where its headquarters located. Its range of products includes meat, poultry, charcuterie, seafood, convenience products, and so on and so forth. Brands include a lot of different trademarks. I think we will see it in their pitch. And I would like to remind you that this food group has 65 locations in 15 European countries. So it's pretty well-known group. Actually, maybe some of you could see the products with their logo. And even tested it. I don't know where are you located in, because I understand not in every country they are selling their products not in every country, but I think some of you have tasted, and if you did, please write us a note in commentaries. So headquarters is in Basel and in Switzerland. In 2019, the Bell Food Group was divided into 3 divisions: Bell Switzerland, Bell International, and Convenience and Services. The Bell International division is made up of Bell Germany, Bell Western and or Eastern Europe, and Hubby's divisions. The convenience division comprises several regions of Switzerland. So they have about 8,000 employees in 2014. So this is information from Wikipedia, and let's see some information about the company from the pitch to understand deeper their activities. So guys, now let's see their strategy for Bell Food Group at the nearest years. So let's take a look at my screen. So the strategy is up to 2025, and a lot of strategy has been already fulfilled by the company. Nevertheless, we could check. We could see some what they haven't finished yet. So, as any European or maybe Asian modern company which thinks about global warming, about planet problems, they also have taken responsibility, and they have some program which saves water, which works in recycling with ecosystems, animal welfare, safety and health at the workspace, employment conditions, and so on and so forth, greenhouse gas emissions. So they are working in green program. Climate change is global issue that a lot of companies, of course, which are members of our Liberland Corporate Railways, also moving to update their vision, their products, their manufacturing, to decrease harmful impact to the environment. So you can see in this slide, they intended to be climate neutrality by 2035, food waste less than 1%, recycled packaging more than 50% by 2026, water consumption minus 10%, and animal welfare labels more than 60%, organic sales more than 370 million sales in Swiss francs. So this is their green program, and this is business area in Switzerland, securing core business and profitability. So this is development of business area. So you just can see modernization of the production side. Of course, they have not one site only, they have several sites where factory located. We can see deep freeze warehouse, not only production. This is 3D projection, but nevertheless, I suppose they have already constructed it. Deep freeze warehouse is very important in their business because it's food business. A new deep freeze warehouse with around 34,000 pallet bays, air conditioned to up to minus 24 degrees, already utilized around 60% by Bell and around 40% by external customers. Construction largely completed. Its programming and tests were in 2022. and start cooling in 2023. So the program is, as it is a large program, so this part of the program has been finished. What are the tips of it? Reduction and decentralized external and internal warehouses from 8 to 1 central warehouse. So they have one big instead of 8 small. Full automated materials handling enables faster goods and handling. Acclimatization with radio wave technology for defrosting within 40 minutes instead of previous 2 days. It's very good index. Overall reduction in energy consumption of around 50%, and double the volume of the same number of employees. Also, you can see slicing center is just a map, and this is the picture how it looks like. It's very important to make to do ready-made products. What about slicing center? Concentration of work for cut charcuterie from basil and chiseur at the new Ursingen slicing center, so they move in it. Construction has been started and planned commissioning in 2025. So you see they're modernizing their factory. Logistics and order picking. So we are moving on the map on every building, and they're telling us about every building, every facility goal. So central logistics and order picking. You see, just this is 3D explanation. So this is a map of Switzerland, new facility for centralized logistics and picking at Ursingen location. Picking systems of 6 locations are concentrated in new facility in Ursingen. You see this one. Construction has been started and planned to be finished by 2025. The next one is slaughterhouse. Investment and efficiency in productive capacity. You see renovation of beef abattoir. Capacity increase from 650 up to 1,000 animals per day. Considerable optimizing of processes. Construction started and also planned to be commissioning by 2025. Let's speak about international business area. So that three directions I told at the beginning of our conversation, from that information taken from Wikipedia. So Bell Germany, number one for air-dried ham in Germany, a leader in innovation and packaging technologies. Strong position with 3 plants in Spain. Another direction, Hubbard's, largest organic producer in Europe, only complete range supplier in southern Germany and Austria, and pioneer role in animal welfare. And the third direction is Bell Eastern or Western Europe. Specialty plants in France and in Poland, in Eastern and Western Europe, focusing on profitable ranges and customer channels and growing export share. So you can see the timeline. The timeline of Bell Food Group. In 2019, sale of German sausage business to the Mühlen Group. In 2020, sale of production location in Hungary to Spar, Hungary. And sale of minority share in system leading Spanish slicer. It is 2021. Also in 2020, sale of the production plant in Saint-André in France to French manufacturer Delis. Sale of logistics activities in Belgium to Kiewis-Drunen, the Dutch logisticon. Sale also in 2020. I see 2020 is the year of selling of the actives. I see. Sale of ham facility in Belgium to the Belgian meat product manufacturer. And in 2022, sale of Zim Romania company to local trading company. So greater profitability through focusing. So they decided to focus, not to spread, but to focus on some activities, in some certain activities. Hubers or Zutec, number one in Europe for organic poultry. Expansion of Hubers. Sales increase in 2021 with organic poultry with compared to previous year. In 2021, Zutec sales increase of 18% were compared in previous year. So you can see regional products within different regions, preference for decentralized locations for manufacture of local products, strengthening of regional brands. So they're supporting. For example, you can see this is Polish brand, this is French. Approximately 30% market share for sliced salami in Poland. You see their brands, and you see the global map and the coverage well of their presence. Growing with fresh convenience. New convenience facility in Austria, in Marchtrank. So you can just see their characteristics about 400 meters. This is premises. This not premises, but this is, I suppose, this is the whole facilities. I don't know German, but if you know German, you can just understand. But I see 24,000 square meters. This is working facility in Austria. This is Switzerland, Eisberg. Great efficiency through consolidation of locations. Expansion of category growth together with different different clients, development of innovation center in Western Switzerland, automation expansion of capacities, increased hygiene requirements, and so on and so forth. So you see they're growing with fresh convenience. Next one is driving growth with vegetarian products. So it's also a trend. As for me, maybe the same like global warming or reducing the impact to harmful impact to the environment. You can see that vegetarian products which are produced by Bell Food Group are product ranges in sandwiches, salads, and different meals, plant-based, pasta, and so on and so forth. And brands which are they producing to the following clients. I think these your favorite trademark of your favorite supermarket. So they are producing brands for this range of supermarkets and retailers. This plant here's development of this plant. They would like to redevelop it or to increase the capacities of this plant by 2026. Master plan with infrastructure designed for the long term, increasing of production efficiency through optimized flow of goods and central high bay warehouse, expansion options created to realize forecast market growth, and production capacity secured at location on a sustainable level, and replacement investments avoided. Here you can see the business area, a favorable outlook for the future. So I think we will not stop at the details, just to see what are they doing, how are they upgrading their facilities. So this is the picture of the business area of Hilcona business area. This is a visualization. So, and also in this business area, we can see development plan development plan of that factory, which are they promising to finish by 2026. What is unique market performance of Bell Food Group? Market. So also speaking about this business area, this Hilcona business area, we can see just a timeline, just some milestones of their development. So in 2019 market test of daily fresh sandwiches. In 2020 test production of daily fresh sandwiches. In 2021 development of urban manufacturing production, takeover of Arista sandwich business. And 2022 commission of Schlieren sandwich manufacturing facility, further expansion potential. So this is about this is also information about Hilcona business area. I think we can't speak about impact of COVID on every business, because we understand that it was awful. It was really a problem to every company, and as we see a lot of graphics of their of their sales, of their development, all majority of companies in 2019 and 2020 there was a fall, there was decrease of production, of their profit, and so on and so forth. So we can see Bell is not an exclusion. But you see, they're telling us, despite high degree of volatility, sales stabilized in 2022 at pre-coronavirus level. So next business area is called Hügli. Let's quick check what is it. So it's B2C, convenience, organic, and sustainability. So fully organic facility. B2B, as in B2C. In B2B, cost and staffing pressure, easy implementation in menus, simple and profitable solutions for major impact, concepts that contribute to greater preparations, for example, work-life balance. So just future-oriented strategic positioning. As for production, you can see several sites where are they producing, where this business area working and producing their products. And on the next slide, you can see the brands, which of course could be famous for you. I don't know that brands because they are local, but nevertheless, if you are covered, if you live in that area, in that country, and where is served by Hügli business, Hügli business area, I think you have met that products and maybe even have tasted. Investment in Swiss delicatessen growth market. You see product range, salad sauces, mayonnaises, dip sauces, packaging, portions, bottles, tubes, bag-in-box, buckets, containers, and customers, Swiss retail and Swiss food service. They are also covering as B2B as B2C directions. So it's huge business, huge company which covers both sectors. Also, speaking further about Hügli business area, investment in Swiss about investments in Swiss delicatessen market, we can see a new site, a new building, new facilities to increase the production. Of course, you can see the investments to to do it. It's just about one facility only, about 7.5 million Swiss francs within 2 years. And let's speak about investments by themselves. Just to take a look at investment of plans in 2021-2025, is indicated in million of Swiss francs. So you can see different facilities, different locations. Also in every investment in every location, and the total investment up to 850 million of Swiss francs. And speaking about modernization and replacement, so 1 billion and 500 million Swiss francs. So it's huge investment. It's very huge investment. They are expanding their facilities in different locations. Let's see explanation. Planned investment volume in Swiss francs, with range of 600 up to 680 million Swiss francs. Positive medium and long-term effects through securing of or enhancing of operational cash flow. Short-term negative effects due to initial costs and greater depreciations of the medium term. Slide is central slicing and picking platform. Then what about deep freeze warehouse? Is slight short-term positive effects that increase further over time due to process efficiency and revenue from external customers. And cattle slaughterhouse, slight short-term negative effects due to initial costs of depreciation of new plant. Slight medium-term positive effects that increase over time due to process efficiency and additional revenues. So this is modernization. This is information about one of locations on modernization in Onsingen. Also, you can see another facility with planned investment of this amount, up to 130 million of Swiss francs. And if we are speaking about financing and distribution of shareholders, you can see bonds, which they're issuing bonds and planning to issue the bonds. So financing through bonds, affordable thanks to the stable cash flow outlook and very solid equity base. Increase in bonds to over 1 billion of Swiss francs. Net debt ratio of maximum 2.5x, but short-term exceeding is possible. Expected equity ratio is constantly more than 45% until 2025. No equity transactions planned. Consideration is being given to the issue of a green bond. Refinance and their plan payment period bond May 2022. 30 billion raised in April due to interest rate rise assumptions. surplus cash can be deposited without negative impacts. Distribution to shareholders. Previous dividend policy will be maintained. Payout ratio of around 30%. Distribution from reserves from capital contributions is possible and permissible. So you see, they are issuing bonds to raise the funds, to involve funds in such huge modernization, in such their really monster plans, more than 1 billion Swiss francs. To upgrade their facilities in different locations. That is why company involves huge amount, huge funds to work with it, to help themselves to increase their productivity. So guys, this is information I would like to tell you today about Bell Food Group, about this Switzerland, Swiss company. We are glad they are members of our railway, of our corporate railway. And we wish good luck to the guys to finish their modernization program. And you can trace their development at our YouTube channel. We will issue a little bit later information about that company. And just for now, thank you for the watching, and please subscribe to our channel not to miss any new information about our members. And if you would like to be our member, you're welcome to drop us a line on the email indicated under this video. So thank you for the watching, and bye for now.